Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing an Italian cuisine. It's a creamy, luxurious dish with rich flavors, blending tender rice and savory ingredients that'll make you want to try it immediately. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as risotto, risotto, risotto. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as risotto, risotto, risotto. This dish is especially popular at special events and gatherings for its delightful texture and flavor. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.